Are you curious about which Australian regions offer the best returns on property investments? Let's dive into the latest data and uncover some high-yield opportunities. Hey there, I'm Rasti, the architect of property wealth from Gateway Properties. Today, we'll delve into the latest property market update for August, focusing on the best high-yield regions, rental trends, and the next $1 million hotspots. Now, on to some exciting news. Brisbane is set to join the $1 million club. That's right. Domain analysis predicts that Brisbane's median house prices will surpass $1 million soon. And Perth isn't far behind, expected to hit the $1 million mark next year. Recently, Brisbane's prices have grown steadily, and Perth has seen even more growth. Why is that happening, you might ask? Well, it's all about affordability and big infrastructure projects, especially with Brisbane gearing up for the Olympics. Melbourne is also on the track for a new high by the end of the year if its growth continues. On the other hand, Sydney and Adelaide might see a bit of a slowdown soon. Moving on to rental markets. The bad news for tenants, but good news for investors, is that vacancy rates are still incredibly low. According to SQM research, the national vacancy rate was just 1.3% in June, with cities like Adelaide, Perth, and Darwin even much lower. The vacancy rates will tighten even further until November. So while we might not see those massive rent increases anymore, rents are likely to stay high for quite some time. Speaking of high rents, CoreLogic reports that the national median weekly rent hit a record high in June. Interestingly, more renters are now moving into larger properties together to save on costs. Larger homes are seeing stronger rent growth compared to smaller apartments. So if you're a landlord with a big property, you're in luck. And finally, let's talk about land values. They are soaring in cities like Adelaide, Brisbane, and Perth. The latest HIA CoreLogic residential land report says the median price of a typical residential lot went up again in March 2024. Excessive taxes and slow land release are major factors driving up these prices. Policymakers really need to step up and address these issues. So, there you have it, folks, the latest property market trends for August. Remember, staying informed is the key to making smart investment decisions. Thanks for watching this month's property market update. If you have learned something new, please give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and tap the bell icon to stay informed. Also, be sure to join our next workshop by claiming your seat with the link in the description below. Catch you in the next video.